Hello. To transfer data from your old phone to your Samsung Galaxy A06, first you have to go into Settings, then scroll down until you find Accounts and Backup. Right here you have the Smart Switch category and you have Transfer Data from Device Setup. You have to press it, and as if you do not have installed the application which is called Smart Switch, then you should have installed it. You also need to install it on your second device, which will be your old phone. Alright, so you have to press it, and if you want to send it from old phone to your Samsung, you need to press Receive Data. Then you select from which phone, from which device you are sending your data. In my case it's Android phone. And we will do it wirelessly. You can also do it using a cable if you have a cable to connect both of your phones. I will do it wirelessly. Alright, so now as we have installed the application, we need to open it. Continue all the stuff right here, and right now you can start sending data to your new phone. Alright, we will select the wireless one, and you have to connect both phones to the Wi-Fi. Alright, so now as we have both devices connected to the Wi-Fi, we select wireless. For some reason it asks me to disconnect from the Wi-Fi, I do not know why. Now the old phone is making some weird sound actually, and they are like connecting somehow, and right here on your old phone you have to accept the connection from your Samsung Galaxy A06. Alright, right now the phone was searching for the data to send, and right here you can choose if you want to send everything or if you want to send just accounts, calls, contacts and messages, and you can select yourself what do you want to send. You can select your custom. We will send everything right here, so we'll select next. Alright, so right now the old phone is sending all the stuff to the Samsung Galaxy A06. As you can see, it's taking 2 minutes, but it may take much longer, since I do not really have much stuff on my old phone. So in your case it might take much longer. It is also recommended to leave both phones close to them, so there won't be any problems with connection, and you should just leave your phones for, I don't know, about 1 hour probably. It depends on how long it should take. You just leave your phones together and until it is done. Alright, as you can see, the transfer is done, and right here it's organizing your transferred data, and you will be notified by the notification right here when everything is done. So basically that's it. All the stuff has been transferred and you have to wait until everything is organized. So that was all about it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.